Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, kindly subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. So guys, I'm back with another hair tutorial. Today I'll be doing the jumbo twist on my hair, and I'll be using the kinky extension. So firstly, I like to take down my hair that I matted the day before. I like to mat my hair the day before so as to prevent air from getting into my hair and making it more coarse. So I'm using my comb to take it down, and I'm finger detangling. After that, I like to section my hair into two. Sectioning my hair into two actually makes it a little bit easier for me to work with, and that's what I'm doing now. After sectioning my hair, I like to start parting from the back. Some persons like to make their hair from the front. I really don't know how that works, so I like to start from the back of my head, and I start by making a horizontal line. My parting game is not very strong because I literally just started making my own hair recently. So after taking the horizontal line, I start sectioning to the right quantity that I want for each hair, each braid or each twist. So after bringing out the quantity I need, I use edge control to rub in between the lines so it will be easier for me to hold the hair and stuff. So there are two methods to actually twist your hair. I'm going to show you the first method now, and later I'm going to show you guys the second method. So this method, you section the hair you want to work with, and you subsection it into two and put the hair extension in between, and you start twisting directly from the roots. So I went ahead to film the back part of the hair off camera, and now I'm at the middle slash the front. So I'm trying to clean out my part to make sure the middle part is as clear as it can be. So after that, I want to start making the front part of my hair. So you section your hair just like I did before. You section the hair, use your edge control to clean out the parts. So want to get our parts as clean as we can. So after cleaning out your parts, you get your hair extension and you start working in your way like you're doing the traditional 3-strand braid, which you call the box braid. So you try to work your way in like 3 to 5 braids, which is what I'm doing in the video right now. So what you have to do here is work your way in like 3 to 5 braids, and you section the middle part of the braid into two and attach each part to the 2 strands that are left, thereby turning the 3-strand braids into 2-strand braids. I'll show you in subsequent ones how I did them. If it's not clear here, then you start twisting, and when you're twisting, you have to twist very close to the hairs. That way the braid is firm, the twist is firm, and it doesn't unravel easily. So when you get to the tip of the hair, you want to try to twist to the very tip of the hair. That way it doesn't get to unravel fast. So you can see the way it looks after I was done twisting. It looks firm. So let's get to the next one. Same process, that's what we're going to use for the rest of the hair. Section your hair, use the edge control to clean out the part and start working away. So this is how the hair extension comes. It's actually long, so if you want your twist to be long, you can actually use the twist. Like, you can use the hair extension the way it comes, but I decided to cut them into two because I was going for like a shoulder length kind of look. So if you want yours to be long, you can use them individually instead of cutting, just like the way I did. So after sectioning your hair, use your hair extension and work your way in like 3 to 5 braids. So the purpose of using the normal traditional box braid as the base is so that it will be firm at the root of your hair. That way it just doesn't get to pull off. So after working your way in like 3 to 5 braids, you divide the middle one into two and attach each part of it to the two on your sides and start twisting. It's very clear from this one I'm doing. You can see the way I did it, and you can just follow the process and you get it. So you start twisting and working your way down, just like I'm doing in the video. So I went ahead to do the rest of camera. We were trying to make the video as precise as possible, so I went ahead to do the rest of camera, and this is me when the hair is remaining like 2. So just like the other processes, I'm still going to repeat the explanation one more time. So here, section your hair, use your hair extension, working your way like you're doing the normal box braid, so the base of your hair will be strong. And section the middle one into 2 to turn the 3 strands into 2 strands and start twisting. So this is me making the base for my hair. Trying to make sure the base is strong. And here I'm twisting the hair. So don't forget to twist to the end of your hair. That way it makes it look better and it also prevents it from unraveling. So this is how the hair came out. You can see how the hair came out. I'm using edge control to just smooth down the front of the hair. This is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. See you on my next video. Bye.